Stains can feel like your worst nightmare. A splash of red wine, a streak of grease, a drip of coffee. But did you know there's real science behind why some stains are tougher to remove than others? Understanding that science is the key to tackling them effectively. Welcome to FastKlean, your trusted source for smart cleaning tips and professional solutions. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest cleaning hacks. Not all stains are created equal. Some are water-based, like coffee or juice, and can be lifted easily. Others, like grease or makeup, are oil-based and need stronger cleaning agents. Then there are complex stains, like wine and chocolate, that require a combination of methods to fully remove. The surface matters too. Porous materials like fabric or unsealed wood absorb liquids quickly, making stains harder to treat. And timing is crucial. The longer a stain sits, the deeper it bonds. Heat can also make things worse by setting stains permanently. That's why acting fast makes all the difference. Blotting instead of scrubbing helps prevent the stain from spreading. Using the right cleaning agent is equally important. Detergents for oil-based stains, enzymatic cleaners for food, oxidizing agents for strong pigments, and acidic solutions for alkaline deposits. Natural and synthetic fabrics react differently as well. Cotton absorbs fast, while synthetics resist staining, but can be tricky to clean once stained. And don't fall for myths like hot water works for everything or scrubbing is best. Both can make stains worse. For really stubborn stains, professional cleaning can save the day. Services like steam cleaning or dry cleaning can restore carpets, upholstery, and delicate garments to their original state. If this video helped you understand stain removal better, give it a like, subscribe to FastKlean, and share in the comments your go-to trick for removing tough stains.